So yes, I've successfully switched from Arch Linux to Fedora, and as you can see here, I've successfully installed DaVinci Resolve, which is really a real tough job for someone like me. As you can see, DaVinci Resolve, and it's not just DaVinci Resolve, it's the Studio version. As you can see, the latest version running perfectly fine without any driver issues. Now, in a recent videos about best Linux distributions for gaming, content creation, and day-to-day life, I've always suggested that Fedora is the best when it comes to performance and Nvidia GPUs. Let me just show you how. So you see, Fedora actually gives us the ability, just wait a second. Fedora gives us the ability to install Nvidia Linux graphics driver, the proprietary one, directly from software store, Gnome softwares. You just have to search for Nvidia, and as you can see, you have the proprietary driver directly from Nvidia Corporation, the official version, the latest one, 570.144, and along with that, all the things you need for your Nvidia GPU, the driver control panel. You see, it is pretty amazing, like really. And if you go to the, well, what do you call them? Power miser, as you can see, my max TGP is 50 watts. Right now, I'm at 35 watts, and the power draw is 6 watts. Like, I could not even see these details on my Arch Linux. And then we have the other things as well. For example, this beautiful Nvidia system monitor, which I'm going to install. Yep. Now, besides that, one thing you might see different in this setup from a previous videos on Arch Linux, and that is the desktop. So let's customize it. Now for that, let me just close these stuff. Yes, I can close it and the download will go on. Now for the desktop, as always, I'm gonna prefer Orchis GTK theme, but let's just try something else. Let's go to Gnome Looks. Yep, today in this video, we're gonna actually browse the internet. So the verdict is, I'm gonna go to YouTube. Yep. I've been actually, performing my very own themes and designs for a long time. I really want to check out some beautiful desktop customization from Arc Technologies. Let's go to YouTube. And hey, don't you dare see my subscriptions. Now let's go to Arch. I believe it should autocorrect itself. There we go. Go to videos. So we have this, well, there's one thing I'm gonna do. I'm gonna disable my desktop audio so that you cannot hear me watching the videos. Now let me just see this.
Whatever you do, it's better with a website. Introducing.
Now you see, the moment I enabled it, the ad, I'm really afraid of copyrights and monetization issues. Now let's start the video. Maybe I should just enable this and disable my mic. Let's watch it together.
And before I start,
okay, so the thing is, like, yes, I do like this, the whole nothing GDK thing. Like, he's probably scared of copyright issues and trademarks and things about the nothing design, but there's nothing wrong to create a concept. So yeah, in the end, this nothing like desktop actually feels pretty nice. Like, yes, as you can see, the outlines and everything is pretty nice, and especially the font everywhere. But you see, there are things I don't like. For example, if I just do this now, the top bar, the GNOME shell, it's way too plain. Like, yes, it is stuck to the top just like the official one, like. And then I don't like the dock he's using. Like, yes, I can change that, but the icon pack doesn't match me. So what we're gonna do is just go to, his channel homepage and see for something else. So now we have the perfect GNOME customization. I believe this one is inspired by Google Pixel for obviousness. Let's see.
okay, finally,
Just.
and if you ever think that you don't really like the theme pack or maybe want to uninstall it after some
So talking about this one, then I don't like it at all, cause it's not my style. Like yes, the top bar looks good, but the dock and the icon pack, this one also does not suits me. So let's see something else. Okay, so we have a lot of them. For example, this one. Yep, this one looks really nice. You know what? I really want to try Evergreen and Groovebox GDK theme. Let's see both of them as well. Really? I don't like these advertisements. But yeah, I'm not gonna violate a policy of YouTube.
video, I took a massive full grade. They thought what in I
Okay.
and before I start, I will get GUI auto theme installers in the description.
It's also rejected. Let's just try this one. The Groovebox and then the Everforest. I have hopes for Everforest.
Okay, a few days ago,
Let's go to 53 seconds later. What
have
the
you
heck?
tried?
What the heck's going on with my mouse?
Okay, a few days ago,
All right.
information of the previous release of Groovebox. Okay, let's begin.
So yep, this one looks good. This is whitelisted. Now
Okay, this
let's try this one. Really man, his videos are cinematic, especially these edits. Now let's see it together again.
GTK theme. So let us get going. Okay, here we have.
Done. Just do this. I'm actually really affected. Like, you know what affection means? Attraction. I'm really attracted towards the evergreen Everforest theme. Especially, what Deep has done. The overall design of the like everything looks damn good. The perfect GNOME desktop I was looking for. Yep, let's customize it to this one. And yet the time is really something. Well, it's gonna be a heck of a long video, but yeah, let's do it together. Alright then, so what I'm gonna be doing is watching the whole video and customizing everything. Now, like the link of this particular video will be in the description, don't worry about it. But now I might end up making it like a time lapse. Yep, I'm gonna make it a time lapse because I'm gonna watch the video, do the thing here. So yeah, you're gonna see everything in maybe a minute, but you're gonna enjoy it. So yeah, let's get started. You know what? I'm just gonna give up. Really? Like, as you can see, I was able to get that floating GNOME top bar, and it looks kind of cool, but no. Like, yeah, it looked good on the video, but just take a look at it. No. Oh man. I literally wasted almost like an hour doing this. Now I was able to get Evolve application working. Where is it? There it is, Evolve. And it is working pretty fine. Yes, I will see that. But this whole deal is just not right. Like Orchis Dark is way better here. Let me just show you. If I go there and choose Orchis Dark, this now as you can see it is way better. Like it looks way better as you can see. Even with such a bad wallpaper, like if I change the wallpaper into a good one, like maybe the default one, it looks even good here. But that was just really bad. Oh, well, maybe I'm gonna give the Nothing GTK theme a try. Well, maybe this video's title might get changed for obvious reasons. We just because This video is more about I'm trying to follow our technology's guide. Yes, all themes are just amazing, literally amazing. But applying the thing, using that thing is just not okay. Let me just, I am actually angry right now. Now, leaving that, first thing I'm gonna do is just go upstairs and grab a nice glass of milk. And then I'm gonna come back and get back to this. Let's go. Okay, alright then, so here I am with my glass of milk. Okay, it was nearly equal to a glass of caffeine. Okay then, so let's get started. Now I'm gonna transform all my desktop into a nothing OS like. Yeah, I'm gonna do that. Let's get started. And yeah, it's actually gonna be like a time. Right then, so yes, I was not able to completely customize my desktop just like Arc Technologies Nothing OS desktop. But yeah, I was able to do this much. And there's a reason for that because most of the stuff shown in the customization was actually paid. What can I do about that? So here I am with Graphite GDK theme, a customized version of that. And it looks pretty good, as you can see. Like the overall theme and design of, especially with this wallpaper, it brings the feel of nothing. Like it's pretty minimal, elegant. It's like the deep down productivity mode for me, which I actually like. And yeah, the performance of Fedora is really nice. Like it's actually, this video is actually recording from 1 megapixel and it's in 60 FPS, literally. And looks like I'm gonna having really bad dark circles. What can we do about that? Because right now, as you can see up, at the top, the time is actually past midnight. So I'm gonna need to sleep early, not early, like ASAP. But now, like the whole setup is done. Well, this video is gonna be a hell of lot of long. Like, yeah. Well, I do have an idea actually. Like, I'm gonna create a full-blown version of my transformation, and then I'm gonna slice them and create multiple videos from there. This is called, well, like having a really big podcast and then splitting the podcast into multiple things and then uploading them individually. That's really nice.